Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove notes on Instagram. First you need to open the Instagram and your phone. Then here we have see the homepage of Instagram, and then go to the DM on the top right corner. Here we can see our notes and notes for some other people. Uh, if you want to delete these notes, just click on icon of notes, and here we can see leave a new note or delete note. Just click on the delete this note, and as can we see, it worked. We deleted the notes of Instagram, our notes, and this all for this option on Instagram, and all for today. Goodbye.